Hello, health warriors. We're so excited to have you back. Welcome back to the Sweet Minds Wellness channel. It's great to see you again. Today, we're diving into the world of natural alternatives that work like Ozempic. Remember, this video is about enhancing your diet, not replacing prescribed medications. Always consult with your healthcare provider. Ready to unlock the secrets of 12 incredible foods for weight management and balanced blood sugar? These foods can make a big difference in your health journey. Hit that like button and let's get started. Your support means the world to us. First up, number 1. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds might look unassuming, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber that absorbs water, expanding in your stomach and slowing digestion. This not only helps with digestion, but also keeps you feeling full for longer periods. This mimics the effects of GLP-1, helping you feel fuller longer and regulating blood sugar levels. It's a natural way to manage hunger and maintain stable energy. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or make chia seed pudding. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immense. Next, number 2. Avocados. These contain monounsaturated fats that keep you satisfied and prevent blood sugar spikes. They also increase your body's sensitivity to insulin, promoting balanced blood sugar and a healthier you. Let's talk number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens are bursting with vitamins, fiber, and magnesium. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use glucose efficiently. This translates to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Craving something creamy? Reach for number 4, Greek yogurt. This protein powerhouse stabilizes blood sugar levels. Protein slows glucose release into your bloodstream, preventing energy crashes and keeping you fuller longer. Number 5, apple cider vinegar has been a health staple for centuries. It helps balance blood sugar levels, especially after meals. It improves insulin sensitivity and slows carbohydrate digestion, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. Number 6, lentils are a nutritional powerhouse, packing fiber and protein. Together, they slow digestion, keep you full, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Plus, lentils are versatile and delicious. Number 7, almonds are a natural source of monounsaturated fats, triggering the release of GLP-1 in your gut. Almonds are a natural source of monounsaturated fats, triggering the release of GLP-1 in your gut. This helps you feel fuller longer, regulate appetite, and improve blood sugar control. Number 8, green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially EGCG, which boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning. EGCG also improves insulin sensitivity, leading to more balanced blood sugar levels. Number 9, flax seeds are packed with fiber, particularly lignans, which act as prebiotics. They feed good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome and aiding in weight management and blood sugar control. Number 10, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, aiding in weight and blood sugar management. Number 11, kimchi, a fermented cabbage dish, is great for your gut. It's loaded with probiotics that aid digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. A healthy gut microbiome also helps regulate blood sugar levels and appetite hormones. Number 12, dark chocolate with at least 85% cacao is rich in flavonoids, which improve insulin sensitivity. These antioxidants help your cells utilize glucose more effectively, leading to balanced blood sugar levels. There you have it, health warriors. 12 foods that work like Ozempic. These natural wonders can help you achieve your wellness goals without the need for medication. Incorporate them into your diet for weight management and balanced blood sugar. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious and versatile. Pair them with exercise, hydration, and professional guidance for optimal health. Remember, a holistic approach is key to long-term success. Which food will you try first? Will it be the antioxidant-rich berries or the heart-healthy nuts? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback and experiences are invaluable to our community. Subscribe and hit the bell for more natural health hacks. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for a healthier you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Keep striving for a healthier, happier life. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or medications, especially if you are currently prescribed Ozempic or similar treatments. The foods mentioned are not proven to replicate Ozempic's exact mechanisms or effects. While studies suggest these foods may support weight management, blood sugar balance, or gut health, individual results will vary. Never stop or alter prescribed medications without medical supervision. This content reflects general nutritional research and is not an endorsement of any food or product. Your health and safety come first. Work with a licensed professional to create a plan tailored to you.